For 100 years, we've looked ahead to better serve our customers. Meet John Crane, a global leader in rotating equipment solutions, creating game-changing technology to help our customers succeed, delivering unmatched reliability, intelligence, and expertise, all symbolized by the John Crane logo. Our logo makes it easy to spot a John Crane product or service. Since our founding in 1917, the logo has seen numerous changes, reflecting where John Crane stood and what the world looked like then. For many years, we used our parallelogram logo, and we continued to grow, acquiring companies with dozens of product and service brands. It was time for a new logo to convey one clear purpose: to simplify communications, to make it easy to select John Crane. Today's logo bursts through to present a single, united John Crane. As our industry and customers' needs change, it continues to send a consistent message. Its dynamic shape shows our global scope and forward-thinking outlook as we pursue a trajectory of innovation to meet customer needs. The burst portrays our far-reaching experience and the world of opportunities open to us and our customers. Its many parts work together as a whole, just as our people build our future together, applying their expertise to rotating equipment applications. That's what you see with John Crane. Here's what we do. We're in business to keep mission-critical rotating equipment for process industries operating reliably. We help our customers meet production demands, control costs, and operate safely and efficiently. We are valued and trusted partners in all we do. John Crane is the partner who brings you reliability, efficiency, and value. In short, we help you succeed. What makes us different? John Crane is always looking and moving ahead with the strength of a global leader. As technology and market needs change, we partner with our customers to see what's next. Pushing boundaries, we deliver innovative solutions, helping our customers capture opportunities today and at the same time prepare for the future. We are the company who helps you achieve your goals today, tomorrow, together. Customers around the world rely on our brand, our promise, and our people's actions to carry out that promise, to keep their operations running smoothly and safely. Meet John Crane, dedicated to our customers, delivering innovation, following through with unmatched service, helping you succeed. At John Crane, your name is how we make ours.